Hi everyone, thank you so much for joining me today. My name is Erin and today we're going to be working through a 10-minute stretch that you can do in the mornings. So we're going to get started with our in a mountain pose. Mountain is when you've got a good base with your feet. Your toes can be together, big toes touching, heel that's a little bit apart, or you can stand with your feet about hip width apart, work whatever is better for your body, and just stand tall in your strong mountain pose. You want to engage your belly, your core, your legs, your calves, your glutes, your torso, your shoulders, your arms. Lift your shoulders, allow your shoulder blades to fall down the back of your spine. Stand tall with your neck straight and your head straight on your neck. Just breathe deep belly breaths. And then we can take our shoulders to our hands to our shoulders and just start rotating your shoulders, your elbows. You want to make sure that your hips stay facing forward and that you're just rotating your shoulders. Okay, you can release that, roll the shoulders, and then we're going to go into a warrior one. So you want to come stand like this on the mat, have the toes facing forward, and then bend into your front leg. You want to make sure that you keep a straight line from your ankle to your knee. You want to have your hips shining forward, and then you can take your arms up over your head. You don't want to be leaning forward. You don't want to be leaning back. Shoulders directly above the hips. And then just stand in your strong mountain. This is a warrior one. And then we'll open up into a warrior two. So heel toe your foot to the middle of the mat. Take your back foot parallel to the short end of the mat. Have the heel line up with the arch of your foot, and then have your hips shining to the side wall, and extend your arms out in front of you. Look over your right hand. Engage your belly, so taking your belly to your spine. And then we can dance it back. And then take it forward. And dance it back again. And back into your strong warrior two. You can straighten the legs and now have them parallel. And then we're going to take it to the other side. So take your back foot, point it towards the short end of the mat. Have the back foot parallel to the short end of the mat. And we're going to swivel our hips so our hips are shining straight in front of us. Make any adjustments with your feet as you need to, and hold onto the wall if you come off balance. And then bend into your front knee. Again, you're going to be keeping the ankle and the knee in one straight line. You don't want to be having the knee going over the ankle. Hips shining forward. Knee directly above your ankle, and then take your hands up into a prayer position. You might want to clasp your fingers and have your pointer fingers pointing up. Breathe into your strong warrior, and then we'll open up into a warrior two. Allow the hands to come out to shoulder height. Do the adjustments with your feet. So we've got the heel lining up with the arch, from the heel to the arch, one straight line. Your hips are now shining forward. You're going to look over your left knee, extend your arms out straight. You don't want to have the arms down, you want them out at shoulder height. Look over your left hand, extended hand, then dance it back, and then take it forward, and dance it back again, and take it forward, and last time back into your warrior two. Stand in your strength, in your beautiful strong warrior. And then you can straighten the leg and heel toe your feet in a bit more. Have your toes pointing out. Take your hands in a prayer position in front of your heart. And then let's just come down into a bit of a squat. And then come up. And down again, a little bit deeper. Up. And then down all the way into a yogi squat. Hold yourself here. You can bounce a little bit if you like, or sit in stillness. And let's release that. Push all the way up. Heel toe your toes all the way in. Take your hands onto your hips. Bend your knees and allow your torso to fall forward. You can stay here, or if you want to go a little bit deeper, allow the torso all the way down. Allow your head to hang down. You can allow your arms to fall forward, or you can hold onto your elbows and just rock from side to side. Bend one knee and into the other. And then bend your knees and come all the way back up into standing. Back into a strong mountain. Let's take our hands overhead and then extend your arms up and then lean over to the left-hand side. We're getting a stretch through the right-hand side of the body here. And back up to center and over to the left-hand side. Oh, sorry, right-hand side. We're extending, getting a stretch through the left-hand side of the body. Back up to center. Again, over to the left, stretching through the right-hand side. Back up to center. And last one, over to the right. A beautiful stretch through the left side of the body. Come back up to center. Let's take our arms out. And then we're going to take your right hand behind your back. Hold on to your right hand with your left hand. You can clasp them. Drop your neck over to your left shoulder. Then take your head to your chest, chin to chest, and over to the right-hand side. And roll it back. And then let's take our hands round our back, keeping the hands clasped. I'll just show you from behind. Drop your ear to your shoulder. And slowly chin to chest. Over to the other side. Just do a few head rolls from side to side. And you can release that. Let's swivel our arms, shaking it all out. And let's come stand back into our beautiful strong mountain. Just breathe. Thank yourself for taking these 10 minutes to refresh your body. It's a great way to start your day. And take your hands up over your head, clasp your hands through, cover to your heart. Cover your heart, thumbs facing up. Breathe into your strength and your beauty. And hands up over your head into a prayer position through your forehead into your heart. Namaste. Thank you so much for joining me today. Have a beautiful day. And this is Valley too, by the way. Please don't forget to like this video and subscribe and share it with your friends if you found it helpful.